Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my chia pudding. Okay, so for this recipe, I'm using 1 cup of vanilla almond milk, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Stir that really well and then let it sit for 5 minutes and stir it again. There are many different ways you can make this, but this is my favorite way. But I'm just giving you some ideas here. So say if you don't have vanilla almond milk, you can use any milk you like, or you can just use regular milk and sweeten it with whatever sweetener you like. If I'm using regular milk and I need to sweeten it, I like maple syrup. I feel like that just adds a nice flavor to it. But if you don't have maple syrup, you can use honey, agave, or whatever sweetener you like. After you mix it the second time, then you're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it sit in there for 1 to 2 hours, and then it's ready. If I'm having this, I'll make this up around 8 o'clock and put it in the fridge. And then I'll go do my exercise, take a shower, and do whatever I need to do. And then come back around 10 to have my breakfast and it's ready. And I don't exercise every day. It's been a struggle, let me tell you. I'm trying to get in a habit of doing it every day, but oh my gosh, you know how it is. Okay, it's been like 2 hours and I'm just going to pour this out in my big bowl. The next thing I'm going to add to that is some granola, and I love my chia pudding with granola because I love that crunch it gives it. And I know a lot of people don't put granola, but I learned about putting granola from Jay Shetty. So Jay, if you're watching this, and I know you're not, but I learned about putting granola from him because a lot of people just do fruits and the chia pudding, and I feel like he always needs something. And then when he said he likes to add granola to his, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to do that, and I love it. So yeah, try it. And then you just top it with whatever fruit you like, and that's it. How easy was that? I know a lot of people, when they add granola, they just put a little sprinkle on top, but I like a lot of granola because I like some granola and fruit in every bite. This was so good. Also, I like my chia pudding more on the watery side. I don't like it so thick. Most people make it really thick, but I don't care for it like that. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.